come to email marketing, you need basically two things to start doing your email marketing. Maybe you want to use email marketing to promote your product or your service. Without these two things, you can't do email marketing. What are these two things? Well, you need firstly an email sender software. Basically, what this one is for is where you're going to upload your email list, create your campaign, and start sending. So, and second thing you need is SMTP server. This will deliver your emails from one server to another server. So this SMTP server is very crucial, because if your SMTP server is not good, your email is not going to deliver to your recipient. So, and if your SMTP server reputation is very bad, your email is not going to deliver. So in this particular video, I'm going to show you this amazing email sender software that you can use with Gmail SMTP. So you can use any SMTP with this software as well. So you can, but with Gmail SMTP, maybe you don't have money to build your own SMTP server, so you can use free SMTP like Gmail. But the only limitation is that Gmail allows you to use your account to send maybe 50 to 500 emails per day, depending on how strong your Gmail account is. But the best part about this bulk email sender software is that it allows you to input multiple SMTP servers. So you can use this opportunity to add maybe on 10-20 email SMTP on this software. Then the software will start rotating the SMTP when one reaches its limit. So this is one of the amazing features. So maybe you want to use it to promote your products, to affiliate products. So this bulk email sender with Gmail SMTP is going to help you with your email marketing. So if this is the first time watching our YouTube video, click on the subscribe button, like and comment. So if you want to get the email sender software, you can just click the link under this video tutorial. And if you want us to help you to build your own SMTP server that you can be able to use it to send thousands of emails per day, you can just start us on our WhatsApp by clicking the link under this video tutorial. So let's get started. Let me show you how this bulk email sender with Gmail SMTP works. Welcome back. So this is the amazing software we're going to be using with our Gmail SMTP to start using for our cold email marketing purposes. So with this software, I'm going to show you some of this amazing feature this bulk email sender has. So one of the features is SMTP. So this software allows you to add multiple SMTP servers. So as we begin this video, I said you can add multiple SMTP account to it. So maybe if you are using a Gmail SMTP like this, like Gmail SMTP has a limitation. So if maybe you have 10, 20, 30, 50, 100 of email SMTP that you want to use, so you can add it on this software. So the software will be rotating it one by one when each account have reached its limit per day or per hour, depending on how you set it. So this is one of the amazing features you will not see in all bulk email sender software. So that's for one of these features. So second, let me show you second feature. So the second feature of this software is that it allows you to do rotating subjects. Can you see? Rotating subject, you can add at least close to 30 email subjects. This is going to reduce the chance of your recipient email provider to mark your emails as spam. So the software is going to be rotating the email subject whenever you want to send emails to new recipients. So just all you have to do is just to add different subject line to your rotating subject. So this is one of the second amazing feature about this bulk email sender software. So the third feature is that it can also allow you to create multiple emails body. So can you see here? I have like 2 emails body using to promote an affiliate product. So can you see this one body, the second body? So like if the software deliver the first body email, if you want to send to another recipient, it's going to use different email subject, different body. This is going to reduce the chance of marking my email as spam. So these 2 body I can increase to 10, 11. So for you to increase it, I just come to these settings. Let's go back. Come to these settings. This total rotating email body, this is on 2. I can put it to 20. So if I go back right is, can you see 20? So all we have to do is to create email content for each body. You have to create the content. So I've already created 3 to 11. Can you see different content. So the software is going to be sending different content, different mail subject to each recipient. So this is going to reduce the chance of my emails getting spam. You mark me as spam. So that's the second, third feature of this software. So the last feature of this software, you can come to the settings. So the software allows you to use any sender name. So you can use any sender names as your email sender. So if you come to this change reply ID, you can use a sender name. I use my channel, Joshua Academy. So you can change it to any name you want. You can change it to any name. So is this name that is show is going to you input here, that the name is going to show to your recipient. This is the fourth reason why this software is very amazing. So that's how this software works. So let me show you how you can connect your Gmail SMTP server to this software. So after you have gotten your software, so for you to connect to your Gmail SMTP server, so you have to come to this SMTP server. So come to add email account of SMTP. So if you click on this drop down, you can use SMTP Gmail, you can use mail Yahoo, SMTP, you can use Live SMTP, and you can use your own custom SMTP. It works Amazon SCS, Power MT SMTP, any SMTP you want to use, you can use it on this server as well. So after I've choose the Gmail SMTP, then come to your Gmail account, log into your Gmail account, then I click on manage your Google account. Come to security. So you are trying to generate an app password for a Gmail account. So this was going to connect to your Gmail to start sending email. So if we come to this security, first time your two-step verification may not be turned on. So if it is not turned on, you will not be able to generate app password. So first thing you have to do is to turn on your two-step verification. So after you have turned it up, it's going to be green. So mostly they can just ask you for adding number to your Gmail account or generating a passcode, like something like that. So this is going to make your Gmail account to be strong. So after you set up your two-step verification, just click on it. So it's going to put it here. So scroll down, click on app password, then enter the app password name. You can just put anything. Great. So it's going to generate an app password for you. Just copy this app password, go back to your software, paste it there, then copy your email address, your Gmail email address, paste it here. Just click anything. Can see per day 500, per hour 100. So if you just add like 10 20 emails, you'll be able to send like 5,000 and 10,000 emails per day. And just click on save. You can go to all this Fiverr up Pico workers to get email address from people. So if you don't want to build, you spend money to build your own custom SMTP server. So and if you want us to help you to build your own custom SMTP server, you can just chat us on our WhatsApp, click in the link under this video tutorial. You can just click on save. You can say congratulations, email account has been added successfully. So if you are receiving error, maybe you do a mistake, you can just watch the video again. So that's done. Can you see the software is going to be showing the total of email accounts you can send depending on the amount of SMTP you add. So if you just add one SMTP right now, Gmail SMTP, approximate mail that you can send in today is 500. So when you start sending emails, it's going to be reducing. So that's one. So let's close it. Then you can come to your message. So you can come to, let me just go back to the settings. Let me reduce the body to 2. So let me just copy this content like this. Let me create a new message. So a new message, guys, in this style, I want to create a new message. My body one. Just paste. Then click on save. Click on save. That'll be saved like this. This is your first content. So I want to copy this content as well. So to make my body 2 content, then click on save. Yeah, this rotating subjects, I can do that because I can't enter the rotating subjects because it's going to take a lot of time. So let me just come here to copy one. So you can first enter the email message mail subject here. Then you can start entering different mail subjects. So you can just enter it as you like. So because I'm not sending a large number right now, so I can use it. So click on save. So this software, if you want to check your spam check as well, the software allows you to click on spam check. Congratulations, our mail pass spam test successfully and has higher chance to go to inbox of users. Can you see this amazing bulk email senders? And if you use it with Gmail or your custom SMTP, we are going to build it for you. We can guarantee 100% inbox. So just click on save it, then save it again, then click on close. Then you can import your contacts through clicking on contact. So normally I don't import my contacts from here. So if you want to import your contact from here, you can just do copy and paste, or import it from file, import from Excel. Maybe you want to mention their name, etc. You can just import it there. Import from CSV file. So that's how you can import your contacts. So where I import my contact, if I come to this email send, so I'll just do some little copy and paste. So let's test this. I'm going to be sending it to my email. Copy this email, paste it. Just right click, click on paste. Let me copy the second one. So let me copy. So let me just paste it. Here's where I paste. Then click on this two columns. Just click add on. Then choose your emails you want to send. Maybe you have already created different email template. Just choose the one you want to send. Click on Newsteller. Then send email. Just choose it as this personal email. This one is the best one. So it's going to be sending your email one by one. So if you choose this BBC mode, send at a time, so they can easily mark your email as spam. So you can just choose this. So delay between mail, you can put it 5 seconds, 1 second, 3 seconds, depends on how you want to do it. Then just click on send. So you are going to be saying attempt to send mail to the start request. Can you see successfully? Find profitable. Time taking 2 seconds. Send attempt to send, operation done, everything has been sent successfully, very fast. As long as your internet is fast, the software will start sending your bulk email. So let's go and check. Okay, you have entered here. Can you see? Joshua Academics, can you see? Can you see that deliver? Can see it deliver with different email subjects. You see, so this is going to reduce your chance of getting blocks because it's going to deliver with different email subject, different content. So this is the second email. You can see this is the name I use for sender name, Joshua Academy, because it delivers different subjects. Waiting for it to load. Different subject, different content. Can you see how amazing this software is? So you can start using this to promote your affiliate products. Maybe you're running affiliate products on 𝐻𝐩 Warrior Plus. You can start using this method to promote your products. Use Gmail if you don't have money to build your own SMTP or any marketing you want to use this software for. You can use this amazing bulk email sender with Gmail SMTP or your custom SMTP. So if you want to get the software, you can just click the link under this video where it's going to take you where to get the software. So after getting your software, just install it, then follow this video to connect to your SMTP server. So if you have any issue you want us to assist you with, you can just start on our WhatsApp by clicking the link under this video. So remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. We'll see you again.